Welcome to Python for Everybody on pythonforeverybody.com. This course is designed to take you from zero to hero in Python. I've designed this course to be your best resource for learning Python. So why should you learn Python? Well, Python is one of the fastest growing programming languages on the planet. It is currently the third most popular programming language in the entire world. And it is used in every corner of software, such as web development, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, machine vision, like self-driving cars, your everyday computer programs, video games, and much more. Python can help you build anything you can think of. It's easy to learn and incredibly powerful. That's why so many universities are teaching Python these days. Now, who is this course for? This course is designed for people who are brand new to programming. Python for Everybody is good for programmers coming in from another language. And this course is also approachable for people who already know basic Python but want to level up their skills with more advanced topics in this course. Now you might be thinking, what is this course like? In this course, I will show you how to set up Python and a coding environment on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Then we'll step through the basics of Python, like formatting our code, simple arithmetic, and working with computer logic. Then as you continue to level up, you will learn everything from beginner Python to advanced Python that you won't find in many other courses, such as object-oriented programming, decorators, generators, unit testing, and more. Throughout this course, you will have interactive notebooks to experiment with and to test your understanding. I will also provide you with detailed notebooks for your reference, and these notebooks are unique because you can write your notes alongside fully functional code. There are over 70 super high quality lectures and interactive notebooks in Python for Everybody. And you will also learn Python best practices. And by the end of this course, you'll be confident enough to put Python on your resume. Now, when you enroll in this course, you will also get access to a huge community of programmers alongside real question and answers. And you get to ask me, the teacher, questions at any given time, and I will answer every single one of them. As a thank you for trying out this course, you can even keep all the interactive notes. For more details about this course, you can further explore this landing page, read the full description, and view the entire course curriculum. So what are you waiting for? It's time to start programming. Enroll today and let's get started.